Hey guys, this is my first video and I'm going to teach you on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm sure everyone has seen a Rubik's Cube by now. And this is a tutorial on how to solve it. But first, you need to make sure that your Rubik's Cube hasn't been taken apart before, because if it has been, there's only 1 in 12 chances which it can be solved. So, the first step is to make a daisy. A daisy is when there are 4 white edges around the yellow center. If you manage to do that, that is the first step. And the first, how you do it is, for example, if the white edge is up here, right, and it's on this opposite side of the yellow center, you can just spin it 2 times to get it down here. If it is on the middle layer, you can just spin down. But if it's right here and on the opposite side of another white edge, you cannot do it because it will replace this slot, and we don't want that. So we need to move to another spot, which is right here, and then you can do it. So there will be sometimes there will be edges which is like this. You cannot spin it anywhere to get it there, because the white is not on the correct side. On how to do that, you need to move once to the side. Like if it's down here, you can move once to the side, and then you can move it down right then. And then that's mostly how you do it. If there is another one left, you cannot put it here, you cannot put it here or here. You can move the bottom 2 times in order to make the spot available, and then put it down. After that, you can see you have a white daisy. This one doesn't count. So after that, you can spin. If I target this piece, you see white and green, and there's a green center right here. So if I move this until I find the green center, then then you can spin two times down here to make first part of the white cross, and do the same with the other pieces, the blue one, the orange one, the red one. And then the next step, you need to remember 3 moves to insert. So first, if there is a white corner right now on the right side of you, there will be a color on the front that you can see. So it's orange, so you spin to the orange color, and then you insert by doing these moves: up, left, and down. And then you get your first corner in the correct position. Then you can do the same with others, but when you do that, there's a chance that the edge will be on top instead. So if that happens, you need to put it on the side instead. So then if you want to put it on the side, the white color needs to be on the side. So if you want to put it there, you can rotate up once, then spin 2 times, so it gets out of the way of this position, and put it down. Then you can get the white edge on the right side. Then you just insert the same way. So then if it is on the left side, you need to do the same, but just on your left hand. So up, right, down. Okay, this is the last the last corner. So up, left, down. When you manage to do that, you will have all the white centers on the white center edges and corners, and then the first layer as well. So for the second layer, you need to memorize an algorithm which goes like this. Let me find a piece. This one. So when you find this one and an edge piece which doesn't have the color yellow, this one has green and orange, so you can select this one. Then you spin the color in front of you to the match the center. After you match the center, you see what color is on top. So the color on top is green right now, and green is on the left side of the orange. So if you have green on top, you pull it away from the green only once, and then memorize this. If you turn it to the right, you need to do this: up, right, down, left, which is a sexy move with left hand. There should be the letters on the screen so you can see, and then you rotate, and then insert, just like normal. Then you've got this piece. So again, if you have green, so it matches to the green center, then you see red on top. Red is on the left side, so you pull it away from the red, and you pull it to the right, so you need to do it with your left hand. So up, right, down, left, then you rotate and insert like normal. There. So if the blue and orange is edges here, and the blue is on the right, you need to pull it away from the blue, so that's left. If you pull it to the left, you need to do these algorithms instead: up, left, down, right, and then insert. There should be an algorithm on your screen, and if the edge is flipped right like this, just do the algorithm once, and then you find the piece. So red is here, I pull it away from the red, and then do the algorithm: up, left, down, right with my right hand, because I put it from to the left, and then insert. That is the first two layers, and then there should be only a few edges or no edges at all, 2 edges or no edges at all, like this. So this is 2 edges. You need to do, if that it shows up like this, you need to do it so that the straight line is vertical like this. Then you do front, alright, and then this sexy move with your right hand. After you've done that, you put the front back, and then you will get all 4 edges aligned. But if there is only the 2 edges is on this side instead, don't worry, you can just do that algorithm like once or more to get the correct one here. And then when you do that, if you do it a couple times and it doesn't work, you need to change your side like this. Okay, not yet, and then not yet again, so you need to spin to the other side and then do it. Okay, so yeah, here it is, and then there you go. And then you need to remember another algorithm. This one is not that hard. So you need to find a soon if you can. Soon is looks like a golden fish. So first though, the algorithm will be on screen. Up, left, down, left, up, twice, then down. If you find a soon, you should manage to do it on the correct side. Wait a minute. Okay, so here it is. The soon looks like a golden fish. Here, the head and the tails. So when you do it, you point the soon in front of you, the edge of the spoon in front of you, and then spin and then turn to the right side of it. Then do the algorithm again. So if it doesn't work, do again. And then if like this again, and then to the right, then do the algorithm again. After that, you should be here with the last layer. Yeah. And then when you are at the last layer, you need to find a pair of headlights which is the color which matches, like orange and orange right here, but there are no other sides, which is like this. So when you find this, you put the headlights on your right, then turn to the bottom, the white color, and then you do this. Bottom twice, right twice, bottom twice, these three moves, and then bottom twice, then up, right, up. There should be an algorithm on screen. So there will be another case usually, which is this one. So this is usually the case. If you find this afterwards, you need to put the side which is completed on the back. Then turn the front 2 times. Then you see this is orange and this is blue. And this is orange, so you need to turn the orange to the orange so it matches. Then you do L and R, 2 sides down both. Then turn the front twice, and then up again. Then do this so that it matches the color, and then turn the front twice. And that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. But there are some special cases, like this one, which there are no correct faces at all. You would just do the same thing again on a random side. Then you should get it. And that is how to solve a Rubik's Cube completely. I hope you liked it. And this is my first video, so I would appreciate if you like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.